How to remove 7 days ban on Valorant. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Valorant support mail. Now over here, click on the very first option. Over here you'll find the mailing address of your Valorant support. You need to copy this email address. Once it is done, go back and head over to your Gmail. And make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on Compose. Now paste the email address that you have just copied. Well, in the subject you need to enter Valorant 7 days ban. And then right here you need to enter the issue that you have been facing on Valorant. You simply need to write that your account has been banned for no any specific reason. And then you need to provide your account details. It can be your email address, your username, your in-game nickname, and so on. Well, once you have provided all of your details of your account, tap on Send at the top right. Your mail will be successfully sent to the Valorant support. And within 24 hours, the Valorant support will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be able to recover your account. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to remove 7 days ban on Valorant. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.